Welcome to our video on top fishing gear reviews, must-have tools and accessories for anglers. If you love fishing or enjoy outdoor adventures, this video is for you. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Wok Fish Fishing Gloves. The Wok Fish fishing gloves are perfect for anglers who need both comfort and functionality during their outdoor activities. These half-finger gloves are crafted with high-quality non-slip silicone on the palms, which enhances abrasion resistance and offers a shock-resistant grip, making them ideal for handling fishing gear. The breathable mesh material ensures that your hands stay cool and comfortable, even during hot summer days. Whether you're fishing, jogging, hiking, or biking, these gloves provide excellent versatility. Available in 4 different sizes and a variety of colors, you can find the perfect fit to suit your needs. The lightweight design makes them easy to wear for extended periods, making them a great choice for any outdoor enthusiast. Number 4. Multifunctional Fishing Tackle Bag. The Multifunctional Fishing Tackle Bag is a must-have for anglers who want to keep their fishing gear organized and easily accessible. Designed with a tactical, military-inspired look, this bag is perfect for outdoor activities like fishing, hiking, and camping. It features a rugged 3-layer nylon construction, which ensures it can withstand the harshest conditions. This bag offers versatile storage for fishing lines, reels, lures, and other essential equipment. The lightweight and portable crossbody design makes it easy to carry while keeping your gear securely packed. With its practical compartments and tough material, the Multifunctional Fishing Tackle Bag is the ideal choice for anglers who want to keep their gear in top shape and always within reach. Number 3. NOEBY Fishing Mini Pliers. The NOEBY Fishing Mini Pliers are a compact yet powerful tool designed to meet the needs of anglers who work with small lures and fishing lines. These ergonomic pliers feature a natural wheat straw handle that provides an eco-friendly and comfortable grip. The sharp, stainless steel blades make it easy to cut through various fishing lines, including braided lines, ensuring clean and precise cuts every time. Additionally, the small jaws of the pliers can open split rings up to 2 millimeters in diameter, making it perfect for mini lures and other small components. Weighing just 53 g, these pliers are incredibly lightweight and portable, making them an ideal tool to carry in your tackle box or fishing bag. Their durable construction ensures they will last through many fishing trips, making them a reliable addition to your gear. Number 2. LETOYO Knotter. The LETOYO Knotter is a must-have for any angler who wants to tie knots quickly and efficiently. This fishing line winder is designed to make knotting lines easier, whether you're tying a GT knot, PR knot, or FG knot. Made from durable ABS material, the LETOYO Knotter is built to last and withstand heavy use. It is a valuable tool for both novice and experienced anglers who want to improve their knot tying skills and save time on the water. This fishing tool not only helps with tying knots, but also makes the process smoother and more consistent, ensuring you get the best results every time. Compact and portable, the LETOYO Knotter is an essential accessory for any serious angler looking to enhance their fishing experience. Number 1. NMShield Cut-Resistant Gloves. The NMShield cut-resistant gloves are designed for heavy-duty protection and are perfect for anglers who handle sharp objects or work in environments with glass, steel, or wood. These gloves feature a cut-resistant level 5 rating, providing excellent protection against cuts and abrasions. The high-quality HBP material ensures durability, while the soft PU palm dip offers superb breathability and comfort. These gloves are ideal for use in industries like automobile manufacturing, construction, and farming, as well as for fishing and glass handling. The gloves are reusable and can be easily cleaned with mild detergent and cold water, ensuring that they last for multiple uses. Certified with CE and EN 388 standards, these gloves meet international safety regulations and are built to offer reliable protection without sacrificing dexterity. Whether you're working with fishing tackle, handling glass, or performing repairs, the NMShield cut-resistant gloves provide the safety and comfort you need. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.